Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick build Vetrano espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work as we had to replace the vacuum release valve, the safety valve. We had to inspect the water level probes and also the temperature sensors. We end up replacing the shower screen and the gasket. As you can see over here, this is completely clogged. There's no way you can see through it. It was spraying all over the place, and the gasket itself, we remove it and show it to you, is just no longer a gasket. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. We had the machine completely open, pressurized it multiple times, run water and steam as the case was completely off. We didn't saw any leaks or anything like that. So starting with the steamer itself, we're gonna be testing this machine out, and as you can see, excellent steam coming out of the machine, looking great. We will not be able to pull the shot of these machines as we do not have the portafilter of it, but we were still gonna be able to test it and see the shower head, the flow coming out from the group head. And as you can see, it's a nice, steady, gentle stream coming out of the E61 group head. Before, it was just spraying all over the place and it was barely holding up pressure. So there you have it. Quick build Vetrano, working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.